Hi everyone, welcome to Medicine Note YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about analgesic drug. Analgesic drug are which relieve pain without loss of consciousness. It relieves the pain from a body without loss of consciousness, but it gives a symptomatic relief without affecting the cause of pain. It gives only a symptomatic relief, but it does not affect the cause of the pain, which does not cure the cause of the pain, but it gives a symptomatic relief of relieving the pain. And these are known as analgesic drugs, which are painkillers. Types of analgesics are opioid and NSAIDs, which is non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Now, we will see about the opioid drug in this video. Opioid analgesic. Fentanyl. It is an opioid analgesic. It is a synthetic drug. Action, uses and adverse effect is similar to morphine. You will see about the morphine now. These action as well as the adverse effects and uses are similar to morphine. Opioid analgesic. The drug which produces similar action like morphine, so they are called opioid analgesic drug. The drug which produces a similar action like morphine, so it is known as opioid analgesic drug. Classification. From opium, the morphine classification is from opium, semi-synthetic as well as synthetic. From opium, morphine, nascapine, codeine. Semi-synthetic are heroin, oxymorphine and codeine. Synthetic are pethidine, fentanyl, pentazocine, buprenorphine, loperamide. This loperamide is used in antidiarrheal drugs. Morphine. Morphine is we obtain morphine from opium. Opium is prepared from a plant which is known as Papaver somniferum. Mechanism of action of the morphine is the morphine acts on mu kappa delta receptor, which is known as morphine receptor. Morphine acts on morphine receptors. Morphine inhibits or activates adenyl cyclase enzyme. Morphine inactivates the adenyl cyclase enzyme, which reduces cyclic AMP level, and this causes chloride ion cannot enter into the cell membrane through chloride channel. So there is K plus ion moves out. Potassium ions moves out and there is hyperpolarization. So the pain conduction in the nerve stops. This is how the mechanism of action of the morphine. Now we will see about the action on of morphine in different areas in central nervous system and cardiovascular system and GIT. In central nervous system, you will see the analgesic action. There is a drug relieves the pain through traumatic and visceral pain. The analgesic action is the drug acts as a relief of pain of traumatic and visceral pain. And euphoria, it makes the happy feeling and well-being. Sleep, it produces hypnotic effect. Meiosis of the eye to stimulate due to stimulation of oculomotor nerve. It is used in bronchoconstriction, depresses the respiratory center and present in the medulla, and reduces the cough by depressing the cough center. Vomiting, nausea due to stimulation of the 10th nerve. Produces drug addiction, increases the physical dependence. Itching and skin rashes, it produces drug addiction. Without the drug, they can not behave as a normal, so it provides a drug addiction. In CVS, it is used in vasodilation and hypotension. It dilates the blood vessels and it reduces the tension. Constipation. In GIT, constipation due to decreased intestinal movement and constriction of anal sphincter. there is constipation due to decreased intestinal movement and constriction of anal sphincter. Therapeutic uses. This morphine is used in very potent analgesic drug. It is relieve pain in following condition. In acute myocardial infarction. In these condition, the morphine, if we give morphine, it relieves the pain. Acute myocardial infarction, which on terminal stage of cancer, post-operative pain, in accidents and traumas, in renal stone pain, and pre-anesthetic drug. Acute pulmonary edema. It is used in acute pulmonary, and other uses are loperamide, used to control diarrhea. To control the cough, codeine, nascapine are used. Dose 10 to 15 milligram given subcutaneously or intramuscularly. Orally it is not fully absorbed. Adverse effects are meiosis, respiratory depression, constipation, vomiting, nausea, drug addiction and physical dependence. These are the adverse effects of the morphine. Thank you. For more videos, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel.